Lagi bang may nagre-resign sa company nyo? Hindi normal yan. Hindi lang yan salary issue. Most of the time, system problem yan. Gusto mo bang ma-retain ang employees mo? Ask HR Premium today.